Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Codemotion Tech interviews. Today, we've got the pleasure to have with us Nico Feiertag, Senior Software Developer at Luxoft. Welcome, Nico. I just would like to ask you to introduce yourself and describe what's your role within the company.
Thank you for having me. I'm Nico Feiertag from Braunschweig, Germany. I've been working in Luxoft for 6 years now and in the automotive industry for over 15 years. I'm currently working as a team lead in an automotive project, but have been doing a lot of different projects over the years, but always software development. Specifically software that is aiding people to add software to the car. I've never done anything that actually goes into a car.
Right, Nico, briefly explain us the company's mission and vision.
Yeah, the mission of the company is to excel at what we do. So we do not only want to provide what we are asked for, but also what the customer actually needs to look behind the curtains and figure out what's actually the pain points and help them there. And with this in mind, the vision is to be a leading tech company or the leading tech company in the fields we are operating in my case, automotive.
Nico, let's go into techie stuff now. You work in the automotive sector. Would you like to describe us the IT department and also what are the technologies, the stack that you use within the sector?
So the IT department is working in a agile framework. So we're using Scrum. So most of us using Scrum. There's a lot of projects, but we are using Scrum and we are working in a safe Scrum, so scaled agile framework, which is for larger companies using lots of scaled teams to work together. As I'm not doing anything that goes into the car, my current project is monitoring the development cycle. So we are doing a lot of monitoring for that. We are using Elk, so Elastic Kibana, deployed in an AWS cloud.
Nico, what are the current technological challenges that you are facing? And most importantly, how do you think you're going to overcome them?
In IT, it's always the software that's evolving quickly. That's a big challenge. So systems are being exchanged, interfaces are redone, all these things. And that's currently happening in a very rapid phase in automotive. So we are trying to catch up to all these things that happened in the other IT departments all over the world, now in automotive as well. And we are not addressing that with adding more software to the mix, but with taking like software development expertise we have from other projects and just guide to a more stable environment.
All right, Nico, would you like to explain us now what are the company's corporate values and also give us an idea of who is the ideal developer candidate to work with you?
So we have a couple of corporate values, which are creativity, excellence, commitment, respect, and fun. I specifically like fun the most, I guess you too. But from my perspective, it actually makes all these others possible. Um, if you have fun, you with some colleague, you respect him. If you have fun in your work, you excel at it. So that's also what I am looking for a coworker to actually have fun at what he's doing or will be doing in the project where we would hire someone for.
Well, at this point, I would ask you, what's the environment like within the company where the developer find himself to work, and what are the career opportunities that a developer can have in Luxoft?
So you will find yourself in an agile environment. We are using different types of agile environments, Scrum, Kanban, all these. They're kind of fun to do. Uh, and we have two managers that actually, the one is focusing on you in the project, so your daily tasks and stuff, and the other one is actually more focusing on your long-term growth. So not doing things you want to do now for your job, but where do you want to be? And then he's helping you get there. That can include software skills, soft skills, like if you want to be a manager or learn a new language, stuff like that. We have self-learning courses all over the place. You're really encouraged to grow and learn all the time.
Brilliant. So, Nico,
Okay.
thank you so much for the time you dedicated to us, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.